Welcome and thank you for watching this short video for the technical requirements for Boomi for SAP. Here we will cover the prerequisites. The Boomi for SAP system was developed, tested, and packaged for SAP ECC and the HANA systems. Before getting started, consult your product team before suggesting the product for other SAP systems such as CRM, SCM, etc. The Boomi for SAP application was certified for HANA 2023. The oldest version Boomi for SAP will work on will be SAP ABAP 731 SP21. The requirements are UI 5 731 and UI 731. Boomi for SAP 1.7 is the highest version compatible with the SAP 7.31 SP21. It will work on SAP ABA 740 SP08 as long as you have SAP UI 740 SP12 installed. The supported browsers are Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. Edge does have a caveat where Internet Explorer mode is not supported. You need to ensure the correct components are installed. Do this by providing a screenshot or equivalent from the SAP development, test, and production systems showing the installed components and versions before getting started. The minimum requirements should look like this. The screenshot here shows the minimum requirements for a 731. Check the component version against the prerequisites listed above in this screenshot. Here we have a short example on how to capture the screenshot in the SAP system. This will require your SAP admin to gather this information. It's done by accessing the SAP Easy Access menu, clicking on System, Status, and then clicking on the magnifying glass under Product Version. You will then see that list of components, the release number, and the service pack level. If you have any questions or need support in verifying the prerequisites or the minimum requirements, please contact your sales engineer or the Boomi for SAP team. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. Give it a like and hit the subscribe button below to receive more upcoming videos.